Good afternoon guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today Richard and Owen have been working on this vehicle. It's a 2017 Globecar Campscout. Yes, bit of a mouthful. So 2017 vehicle, it's on a Fiat Ducato base, and this vehicle has been in today to remove the high-level brake light camera that was a dual lens, metal black body mounted one, but they'd screwed through the top of the actual roof, and then where the factory brake light is, they'd then chiseled a hole through, or filed a hole through to take the cable in, but that had failed. So after watching our videos on YouTube, these customers have come all the way down from the Isle of Man and have had a dual lens high level aftermarket brake light camera fitted and all connected to a 6.5-inch monitor inside. So join me at the back and we'll show you it fitted. Standard panel van sliding door conversion that we see all the time, and standard factory high-level brake light now been replaced with the dual lens aftermarket edition. So you've got the outward facing camera that's on a gimbal, so you can adjust it down, and then you've got the downward facing camera that's got the night visions built in as well. All the cabling routed through to the front and then connected up to the 6.5-inch monitor. Where possible, we always go down and underneath the vehicle just because it saves working through cupboards and everything else. And then, of course, on this particular one, instead of going to an actual aftermarket head unit, we've then connected to a completely independent monitor. So we'll show you that now. Right, so we're now sat in the cab, so nothing that you see, if you can see the dashboard, we have fitted. What we have done is fitted this. Now, the vehicle came with a standard windscreen with the fitment for a rear view mirror on it. We've taken off the little black round circular cap and replaced that with a dedicated 6.5-inch monitor with a stalk. So this is nice and solid, won't bounce around. We've taken the cable over the top of the blinds so that it doesn't affect the way the operation moves for the blinds when they open and shut. And at the moment, I'm in reverse gear. So if I was out of reverse gear, like so, the display automatically goes back to the rear facing camera. Now this is live. So when you're driving with your ignition on, you can see what's behind you. That's perfect for safe maneuver on a motorway, dual carriageway, overtaking, or roundabouts, or something similar. A really nice wide angle lens that allows you to gives you that confidence to know what's behind you, but also means that if you've got someone playing silly buggers, you can preempt or similar. And then as soon as I put it into reverse, that image then pops down onto the downward facing camera. So I'm going to start reversing out. Hopefully Sammy can stay nice and still with the camera. And what we're going to do now is just going to go out of our workshop like so. Now it's a really bright sunny day today, so it'll be interesting to see how the camera, obviously you're going to get shadow with this kind of setup because that's virtually impossible to not have that. So let's just go out of there like so. We're an automatic box here, so let's just go like that. We've just got someone popping out of our own workshop, and then look how clear that is. So you've got someone now, that's Richard, one of our members of staff, walking, and we're then going to go downward view. So downward view whilst we're reversing means that there's no chance that we could do any damage driving into bollards or vehicles or anything like that. So let's just reverse up like so, and then pop it back into first gear. And then we've got that lovely backward facing view. So this is a 6.5-inch monitor, all built in to our dual lens high level reversing camera, and that's part of the brake light. We have done a recent video of these, but we're going to keep doing them because they're different vehicles, different setups, different weather, so you can see how well they respond with the blue and the red and other bits and pieces like that. And if you've got a vehicle like this and you think, do I need a reversing camera? Well, having a dual lens is certainly really handy because you never really know. If you've always got your reversing camera looking down and seeing this, that's all well and good, but that's only for reversing. If you've then got a real live rear view camera like this, then that's really handy, especially when you're driving in the UK or abroad. This is on a Fiat Ducato 2017, but we can fit it to a majority of makes and models. So please do get in touch with us via the website. Website links in the bio. If not, just Google Motorhome Retrofits and or follow us through YouTube, social media, and get in touch with us that way. And as usual, guys, thank you for your support and thank you for watching.